Hello everyone, this is Vandita. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will tell you about this pattern. This is made of 2-ply wool. I have made a sample of 4-ply wool also. You can see. This is a reversible pattern. Let's begin our video. For this pattern, I am using 2-ply wool. With this, I am using 2.0 mm crochet hook. Okay, we will start to make a slip knot like this, or you can start like this also. Okay, we'll start to make foundation chain. Okay, I have made my 28 chains. Now I will skip very first chain, and from the second chain start to make double crochets. 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next chain. So this is the border of 2 double crochets inside. You can increase the double crochets for the border according to your project. So for this sample, I'm just making 2 double crochets border in this pattern. Now make 1 chain and skip 2 chains, 1 2. In third chain, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 more double crochet in the same chain, and we have 1 V stitch in this chain. Again, chain 1, skip 2 chains. In third chain, make 1 more V stitch, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 double crochet in the same chain like this. 1 chain, skip 2 chains. In third chain, make 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 more double crochet in the same chain to complete this V stitch like this. Okay, we'll make 7 V stitch in this round. After 7 V stitches, we have left 3 chains, chain 1, skip 1 chain here and make 2 double crochets as our side border. Chain 1 like this. Here my first round has been completed now. Okay, turn over for the second round. Make 2 double crochets for the side border and 2. After 2 double crochets, now make V stitch in this space. 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet. V stitch. After this V stitch, make 5 double crochet in the next V stitch space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 like this. Now make V stitch in the next V stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, and 1 double crochet in the same space, like this. Now make 5 double crochet fan in this space. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Chain 1 V stitch in the next V stitch. Chain 1 like this, and in last we have left 2 V stitches, a fan of 5 double crochets, three, 4 and 5. Now one last V stitch in this round, and 2 double crochets for the side border. Chain 1, and it will look like this. Turn over. In third round, make 2 double crochets for the side border. 1 and 2. Now chain 1. We didn't make any chain in second round. Okay, in first round we have made chains, and in third round we are making chains. After one chain, make 1 V stitch in the first V stitch, okay. Now without any chain, we are making 4 double crochets in this space. In the first space, make 1 double crochet. In second space, make second double crochet. In third space, make third double crochet. In fourth space, make 4 double crochet, like this. Now make V stitch in the next V stitch, like this. Now again repeat the same. Make 4 double crochets in the double crochet spaces, 2, 3 and 4. V stitch in the next space, chain 1 and 1 more double crochet in the same space. 4 double crochet on these 5 double crochets fan. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 V stitch in the last V stitch. Now chain 1 and 2 double crochets for the border. Chain 1. 3 rounds has been completed here. For the fourth round, side border, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Chain 1, 1 V stitch or our first V stitch. After this, make 1 chain. Now this time we will make 3 double crochets in between them. 1 double crochet here, second double crochet in the second space, third double crochet in the third space. Okay, now chain 1 and 1 V stitch in the next V stitch. And we are repeating the same pattern. 3 double crochets, 1, 2 and 3. 1 chain, next V stitch, chain 1, 3 double crochets here, and last V stitch and chain 1, 2 double crochet for the side border, chain 1, turn over. For the 5th round, make 2 double crochets for the border, after border make 1 chain, first V stitch, now make 2 chains, 1 and 2, and we'll make 2 double crochets in between them, 1 and 2, chain 2, V stitch, two chains, 1 and 2, and 2 double crochets here, 1 and 2, 2 chains, 1 V stitch, two chains, 2 double crochets, 1 and second in the next space, chain 2 and last V stitch in the last V stitch, chain 1 and 2 double crochets, chain 1, turn over. Our 5 rounds has been completed now. In 6th round, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 1 is 1 V stitch, now chain 1 V stitch in this space, 1 double crochet, 1 chain, 1 double crochet in the same space, like this. Now chain 1, and we are repeating the exact first round here, chain 1, next V stitch, chain 1, like this. We are making 7 V stitches like our first round. In last, chain 1 and turn over. In 7th round, we will make border without any chain. This time we'll make fan on this row. Okay, we'll make a fan of 5 double crochets in this space, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. After 5 double crochets, make 1 V stitch in the next V stitch, without any chain. Again make fan of 5 double crochets on this row, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, now make 1 V stitch in the next space, now we'll make one fan of 5 double crochets here and V-stitch. In last, a fan of 5 double crochets, and without any chain we'll make border of 2 double crochets, and in last chain 1 and turn over. Here my 7th round is also completed now. Okay, now we will repeat this exact process to make this pattern. We'll make 2 double crochets for the border, chain 1, and in the 8th round we'll make 4 double crochets on this fan. Without any chain we'll make a V-stitch, 4 double crochets, V-stitch, 4 double crochets, and this will look like this. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give a like my video and subscribe my channel for more videos, and share with your friends and family. Thank you. Keep watching.